Filmora versus Movavi. Which video editor is better? Choosing the right video editor can completely change how you create stunning videos without struggling with complicated tools. Both Filmora and Movavi offer unique features for different editing needs. Filmora and Movavi are popular video editors designed for beginners and casual creators. The core difference lies in Filmora's advanced effects and intuitive interface versus Movavi's simplicity and speed for quick editing tasks. Filmora is a versatile video editor known for its user-friendly design combined with powerful features. It offers a wide range of built-in effects, transitions, and templates that help users create professional-looking videos with minimal effort. Filmora works by providing a drag-and-drop timeline, making it easy to arrange clips and add effects without steep learning curves. Its strengths include advanced color grading, motion tracking, and a large effects library, which appeal to creators looking for more creative control. However, Filmora's richer feature set can sometimes slow down performance on lower-end computers, and exporting videos may take longer. The ideal user for Filmora is someone who wants a balance between ease of use and creative flexibility, such as YouTubers, educators, and social media content creators aiming for polished results without complex software. Movavi is a straightforward video editor focused on speed and simplicity. It allows users to quickly edit videos with essential tools like trimming, cutting, and basic effects. Movavi operates with an easy interface that guides users through the editing process, making it accessible for beginners or those needing fast results. Its strengths include fast rendering times and straightforward exporting options, which make it ideal for quick projects. However, Movavi has fewer advanced features compared to Filmora, lacking in-depth color correction and motion tracking. This limits creative options for users who want more control over their videos. Movavi is best suited for users who prioritize speed and ease of use over advanced effects, such as casual video editors, vloggers, or anyone needing to produce videos quickly without a steep learning curve. Comparing Filmora and Movavi highlights a trade-off between creative depth and speed. Filmora shines when you want to add professional effects, detailed color grading, and motion tracking, perfect for projects that require a polished look. However, it demands more system resources and longer export times. Movavi excels in delivering quick edits with a simple interface, making it ideal for fast turnaround and straightforward videos. For example, if you need to produce a vlog or social media clip rapidly, Movavi gets the job done efficiently. But if you're creating a tutorial or promotional video that benefits from enhanced visuals, Filmora offers more tools to elevate your content. Both editors serve different workflows, so choosing depends on whether you value creative control or speedy editing the most. Choose Filmora if you want a feature-rich editor that balances ease of use with advanced effects for more polished and creative video projects. Movavi is the better choice for those who need fast, straightforward editing without unnecessary complexity. It's perfect for quick projects and beginners seeking efficiency. Both editors excel in their areas, so pick the one that matches your editing style and project needs.